Hello guys. Let me know in the comment section if you can see me. If you can hear me, I'm live right now. I think I just need some confirmation in the comment section. A lot of people commenting right now. Guys, am I live? Let me know in the comment section. Just getting a couple of things ready here. How's everybody doing? Are we going to have that retracement for BTC? I haven't rushed in a trade. I was planning on making a small scalp position to the to short because I saw a harmonic pattern, but I did not enter. It is very risky now for any long or short. The ideal scenario here would be having that kind of pullback, okay, just below the $47,000, potentially hitting $46,000 would be an ideal moment to start scaling in a long position, okay? We're going to wait for that potential long position. Right, let me just go quickly here through the comment sections. I have no idea if I'm live or if you guys can hear me. Just getting a couple of things ready here. 150 watching at this moment. Absolutely great. Absolutely great, guys. Make sure to smash up the like button. Guys, thank you insanely for the support. I want to let you know that Super Chat is activated right now. I was quite a few months without any Super Chat, but if anybody wants me to read a really important comment or something, then they can, you can use the Super Chat and give a small tip, and I'll see it in a big color. Okay, guys. So I'm just gonna go scroll down here. Yes, volume video, great. Okay, great. I can see that. Let me just say hello here to the people. Roland, how are you doing? Evening, Andy. Hope you are well. So then, still waiting for your 45,000 retracement before making your trades. Yes, exactly. I don't want to long or short here. There's only one. There's one scenario though, that if we do break that $48,500 range, okay, which is also a major resistance, then yeah, I think, guys, we just have to. Or depending on the volume, okay? Most importantly, how much volume there is going to be after this breakout here from 48,500, because if there's hardly any volume, we might be looking to have that major retracement, guys. Remember, we had a massive dip right over here, and we're saying, calm down, okay? Don't worry, we will have those opportunities. We nailed this short position right over there. We nailed also this one right over here, okay? And out of this area, my swing trade, that was actually just a few days open, was only this one right over here. As I got in, as soon as we hit the 44,200 approximately, it was around about this area. I had this trade open for just a couple of days, and as soon as we almost retested here, the low part here, I exited my trade at $41,000. I was taking profits. So, but we did call for this short position right over there. We did call for this short position right over here. So this is why, I am still patient. I'm still waiting. I will let you guys know we are pumped, okay? The worst case scenario would be getting a massive pump, hitting that $52,000-$53,000 in the next day or two. That would be the worst case scenario. We just have to let it go. Now, the best case scenario, guys, would be having that pretty aggressive pump over here and then having some choppy candles with very low volume. Then I'm in a trade, guys. I am in a trade. You know that the $45,000 range, okay, $45,000 area is such a strong support that, yeah, with this amount of volume, it would be ideal to have that kind of correction around this area. Let's hope, and let's see if we can have that correction, okay? This is why I am still not in a trade position. Another scenario right over here, taking a look at the 15-minute, zooming in, are we creating a kind of an ascending triangle? Because this is also very, very possible right now, okay? We are creating these higher lows. Now, the two scenarios right over here, up or down eventually. Now we are hitting here this major resistance, which is at the $48,300, $48,400 approximately. We've hit it twice already, okay? And yeah, this is a bullish pattern, as you can see, a very well-known bullish pattern, ascending triangle. You have higher lows, you have here a barrier of selling pressure, and we're going to get at the end of this apex by tomorrow, okay? By tomorrow, we should be finding a direction up or down, and it's going to be pretty aggressive. Now, Another scenario here that I'm seeing is a potential Bart Simpson pattern where we've had this massive pump. We're just going kind of sideways here, and then we could have that massive dump, the same distance that we've had the pump, okay? Same distance, but to the downside. And we have seen this before on Bitcoin, okay? Bart Simpson pattern. This is only created on the Bitcoin chart. Also, I've seen it on XRP, but you just go sideways, massive pump, okay? And then you have a massive dump. It could also happen. Now, there's something that we need to pay attention here on the Bitcoin price. You could take advantage on some potential scalps here, looking at, you know, the 30-minute or the 15-minute chart. Okay, if we do manage to close, all right, at least a 1 hourly candle below this major support range. As you can see, we have been bouncing. You know, we could get a square here right away. Let me just. I'll go through the comments now, guys. I just want to do some basic analysis here, show you where there is important levels that if we break, we could go lower, or if we break up, we could go much higher. Now, there's a very good support here at $47,500. We can see we have been bouncing here several times, okay, with 3 bounces here on the 30-minute chart. Now, if we break down from this ascending triangle, we break the support area. This could be easily a fake out and can come straight back in. So this is why it's risky. It's super important to break the last higher low. Very important, guys. Be careful with breakout trading. Be careful with fake outs. Now, we want to see a confirmation if we do manage to break. Okay, this low, it would be a quick, risky, short opportunity, all right, all depending on where the price arrives. You could, if the price arrives all the way down here to 46,800, it is a very, very risky because you are trading against the trend. But it is very likely that this support will get at least a bounce at resistance at least once, okay? At least once. If you didn't manage to get on the first bounce and you come back up, you do not enter here again, because then this means you are creating a double bottom. You're already hitting potentially the 50% Fibonacci retracement or the 38%. You know, it's a very risky. We don't want to short. We are looking for long positions. But anyway, that would be a potential scalp here if we do start breaking this major level. And it's going to be quick. You got to get in and you got to get out, because as soon as this bottoms out, it might reverse pretty fast. So that's just a quick scalp idea that I could give you right now. I know a lot of people want to trade. A lot of people are excited. They want to trade. They want to long. They want to make money. And yeah, patience is key, really. So I missed out on this massive pump, but it was very unpredictable, very quick. Happened very, very quick. So yeah, I'm just going to patiently wait for this retracement, just like we patiently waited for this retracement. Okay, if you're an old subscriber, we nailed this short position, and we also nailed this one right over here. All right, made a couple of thousand on this one, so that was great for the September month. That was plenty for a swing trade. Now let me go quickly through the comment section. I've already got a super chat. Absolutely amazing. Let me just go through the super chat, guys. You know, super chats are always keep up the good work, Andy. Thank you very much, Rijan. Thank you for that super chat, and thank you for the amazing support. Anyone here yet? Says Maverick, says Toshan. I guess Andy is around somewhere, probably plugging in the mic and trying. Yes, exactly. Yeah, sometimes I'm a couple minutes late, guys, but don't worry. That means I'm just getting some stuff ready. Why doesn't it fall? Want to buy more, says Real. Yeah, exactly. Me too. Let's wait to see what happens here from this ascending triangle, okay? Because this is a bullish pattern. This is the thing. Maybe a lot of people are trying to short this right now, because it is a major resistance, as you can see over here. Right, it has been a major resistance. A lot of people may be anticipating this short position, but we are coming from a great pump, guys. We are creating this. This could be a pennant, a flag. It is an ascending triangle formation, which is bullish. Yeah, if we do have that breakdown, that would be absolutely great, guys. I will be adding live, okay, some of my position here on Bybit. It's not my position. I haven't got any position open, but I will be getting, okay, a position ready here on Bybit. I did have my position yesterday. I got the position out, but I will get one ready around about $46,000, and I will explain why. Not with about 7x leverage, more or less. I will explain why. Okay, I got the position off, and I will explain that why am I going to enter around about $46,000 in just a minute. Okay, let me just go through the comment section. Patience, bro. Yes, exactly, says Srijan. Patience, exactly. You do have those pullbacks. You do have them at some point. We're not going to go up in a straight line. Don't worry. As soon as we start having some type of pullbacks, I will be letting you what positions I am going to take. Okay. The same here. Same scenario right over here. We dumped. I wasn't in any position, and we actually predicted very well the dump here. You can check out the video from the 6th of September. We were expecting a major drop. I just didn't. I don't want to anticipate. I don't want to guess that we are going to have the pump. I'm going to react after the pump happens, looking at the volume, looking at the direction, breaking the structure, and yeah, we perfectly nailed this potential dump to the downside. So if we do have that kind of pullback, we're going to try and nail that, that retest again of that $48,000 700. Now the worst case scenario, like I said, would be breaking from here. Then I'm going to yeah guys, this is usually it is unlikely to have massive pumps like that, but it could happen in just a couple of days and, go to the moon. Now, we will have some retracement. We will have some opportunities. Hello, Andy from Seattle. Hello, ready to rock and roll. Kryptonite, thank you very much for the support. Like the video before live, guys. Yes, thank you very much for the insane support, guys. Absolutely insane community. I really love you guys, all of you, every single one of you. Thank you very much. Make sure to join the Telegram group. You can tag me there. Everybody that has talked to me, I try to respond to most of them. So make sure to join the Telegram. Love your technical analysis, Andy, says Natalie Williams. Thank you very much. I'll try and keep it very simple, very educational. And if you don't like it, you can just leave, can you? Hello everyone. Hit that like button, says Mark Dirch. One of my best, I'm not going to say the best, okay, so other people don't get jealous. One of my best supporters, one of my best moderators. I've only got 3 moderators, so insane support. Thank you, Mark. I am 8th like, thank you very much. Ada, please. Andy says, Dennis. Yeah, Dennis, let's take a look at some altcoins, right? Enough talk, enough hello. Hello to everyone if I haven't read your hello comment. Let's go and take a look at some cryptos here. Let's take a look at some altcoins for the community. Right, let's XRP, right? No, ADA, sorry. I bet we'll be taking a look at XRP also. A lot of people in the community wanting to take a look at XRP. Right, ADA, this is the scenario that we got. We had a very tiny small fake out here from this breakout. This is the 4-hourly chart, okay? Now, the ideal scenario here for ADA. Why have I got this box? Well, this box has been the last all-time high area, okay, where we did have a few 4-hourly candles. This is exactly the $2.30, $2.35 to be a little bit more exact. Now, we have been getting some major support around that range, and this is where we created kind of this descending triangle. Now, this is why descending triangles are bearish. When you create lower highs here on the structure, you start getting a bounce here. This is a buying pressure barrier, right? At the $2.35, you finally break it out. We did have a first attempt. We didn't manage to break up. Guess what? We have created a double bottom scenario. This is extremely bullish, okay? We've created this double bottom range. We were in this descending wedge here on ADA. We managed to pop up. So it is looking pretty bullish for ADA. The only thing that's not looking that bullish is the volume, okay? We can go to the 1-hourly, check out the volume here on ADA, and it's not a huge amount. There is some volume popping up here, which is okay. It is okay. Everything is indicating that we'll be having a bullish October month just because of the setup. September, the entire September has been a bearish month since the 7th of September, where we had the dump on Bitcoin and other cryptos. It's been the entire month of September bearish. Now, I believe so that the entire month of October is going to be bullish. Now, we want to take advantage of that trend. You can anticipate, if you wish, some trades here, okay? You can anticipate some trades if you wish here, because it is very, very likely, let me say that it is very, very likely that we start pumping, with a little bit of volatility, but we are going to start continuing to the upside, only because of BTC, guys. My scenario here for BTC, ABC correction, ABC correction, the C correction was expected to finish round about the $38,000. If you follow us on Twitter, we actually posted this, Could be an ABC correction. Question is, are the bulls going to fight the 38k, 40k range for the C bottom? Okay, this was posted on the 20th of September on our Twitter account. This was very much expected. I've been talking about this ABC correction for quite a long time. Then I started to see some YouTubers talking about it, analysts, and yet my take is that we are creating, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves, okay, tackling all-time highs. That is going to be my my view of the market. This is how I see it. A lot of people still pretty bearish, thinking that we are going to have that rollover, just very similar as this. And no, this is different. The reason why this is different is because I showed you this descending wedge from here, from this descending wedge, and this one broke to the upside, this one broke to the downside. This is why, this fractal has been nailing every movement till, what day was it? There's 22nd, 23rd of September. And that we have been, following since about the 20th, since mid-August, this follow-up, okay, very similar over here, guys. Remember, I was saying, we are creating those waves. There will be some moment, Anyway, if you know what to subscribe, I don't need to go through it every single time. So that is my take. What you want to know, you don't want to know what's happened in the past. You want to know what's going to happen next. So what I think is going to happen next, guys, is we're going to have that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves, all right? Tackling 65k maybe in maybe about a month or by the end of November. We should be easily breaking all-time highs, because this is the structure that I see on BTC. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves. But let me just go and say hello here I've had a couple of super chats again already. Thank you very much, guys, for the super chat. Very much appreciated. Let me just go quick on ADA, and I'll go through the super chat comment straight away. I want to give you my opinion also, guys. Super important to let you know where I see the market, right? We're 445 watching right at this moment. Make sure to smash up the like button. Very important, guys. Smash up the like button. Help me out here with this channel. I do put my heart and soul into it. So, a little smash on that button down below would be very much appreciated. So my take on ADA would be this, guys. I see two scenarios here for ADA, okay, and they're both bullish. The first one might be having a potential retracement, coming back down to maybe retest the resistance of this descending wedge, turning it into support. So worst case scenario would be actually dipping below the $2 here for ADA, maybe hitting $1.90, and then shooting up. Okay, so for ADA, I got this scenario right over here, which I'll show you right now with these arrows. So there's this a potential drop in the next coming days, and then afterwards coming back up and tackling here the $2.35 for that pump, okay, and continuation movement on ADA. Now the other one would be the most bullish one, would be tackling in between today and tomorrow the $2.35 and breaking it, and this would create this double bottom pattern right over here. Now if we do manage to start spiking above the $2.45, that would be absolutely great, because this is kind of the center bit, okay, of this this double bottom range. And you could arguably discuss that we are going to have a pretty decent pump on ADA. This would be approximately the measured move from the pump that could take us all the way to about $2.70. Double bottom ranges do have a very impulsive move to the upside, and it could be around about $2.70, okay? So that would be the two bullish case scenarios. Nothing bearish about this, okay? We have had the bearishness the whole month of September. It is time to go up. So that's my take on ADA, okay? Now let's take a look here at the comment section very, very quickly. I've got Crypto Knight giving me $5. Thank you very much, my man. Avax started trading on Coinbase. Where is it going next besides the moon? Well, exactly. I mean, Avax, very bullish blockchain project, just listed on Coinbase. So yeah, eventually it will have some very good pumps. We've got Coinbase right over here. It was listed just at the end of September, right, or the 1st of October. I can see here, not too much data here on Coinbase, as you can see. And let's take a look on Binance. Been a little bit choppy. We did see a little bit of, let's go to the 4 hourly. Must have had some bearish divergence right over here, because we've seen the price go sideways. Okay, we saw these higher highs just hitting all-time high, but we were getting exhausted. This is the thing, guys. We want to try and nail when we're going to have that major correction. So we can see the waves right over here, and as soon as the second and third wave break the all-time high very, very slightly and have that correction, you know, we need to be super cautious. We're just going to go down, have a consolidation, and then continue to the upside. Now, the reason why this support has been holding very nice here on Avax, which is the $60, is because we have a very nice peak here of all-time high. This was back in February when Avax was going absolutely nuts. And then we got this one right over here on the 24th of August. So we got two very nice peaks that eventually, once you successfully break it out, and successfully break out means this. It doesn't mean this. This is why we are careful with fake outs. A lot of people, you know, breakout traders, what happens? You get in there and okay, you could have your stop loss pretty far away and you'll be fine, but you are going to be in negative for quite a few days and you need to take that. And if you are highly emotional, then yeah, you probably will close your trade in a negative just in case. And this is the thing with trading. Your emotions need to stay back. Stay away. That's why I wait for a successful breakout, which means, you know, let the price go, because at some point it will come back and that will be the moment where you want to buy in, guys. I know it's super difficult. It is still difficult for me, and I've been trading for years now. So, I feel like rushing into Bitcoin now also, especially after forming this huge ascending triangle. Right, we've got, you know, there's nothing bearish about BTC. My question is, are we going to have that retracement? But if we have it, I am going in. I am going in. The question is, are we going to have that retracement? Now on Avax, yeah, this is what we got for Avax. We're just going sideways. The cool thing about Avax is that we have a pretty nice trend over here of higher lows. As you can see, since the 13th of September, we've been creating consistently these higher lows, which is pretty bullish. So it does look like that we are going to maybe form a kind of a channel right over here, right? Or an ascending, yeah, kind of an ascending channel. So we've got a pretty nice ascending structure here on Avax. You know, my take here would be very soon we are going to start seeing that nice green candle very soon for Avax. Avax is a brilliant blockchain project. It's already having decentralized exchange, already having NFT projects built on the Avax blockchain. It is a very big growing up blockchain. So yeah, my take here is that we have bounce here on, we are on an ascending channel, boom, bouncing, and now we're going to have, you know, that attempt on breaking the all-time high again. It's very likely. Now I would become well, I couldn't become bearish if we do break these higher lows, because we got such insane support here at $60 that we could wick below to 55 for any over leveraged long positions, but we will be getting out. We'll be getting up again in no time, in my opinion. Possible fake outs to the downside before we continue up, or continue up tackling all-time highs. Now if we do break all-time highs very nicely with volume, it is going to be a good major support range. This right over here should be holding very nicely as support to continue up. Okay, so this is my take on Avax. Kryptonite, thank you very much for that super chat. Howdy Andy, best leverage trading platform for US residents? Very good question. Most of them that I give, you can scroll down here on the description here on my videos. Okay, you can scroll down here on my videos and you can check out, okay, the ones that, you know, the ones that I use is Bybit and the ones that I use is Bybit and PrimeXBT. There's also Phemex, okay? Phemex over there, okay? And yeah, they're the ones that I mainly use, all right? They're the ones that I mainly use. I'm not sure if they are banned in the US or not, but yeah, the ones that I mainly use, PrimeXBT, Bybit, and Phemex, okay? But maybe... So if you're not allowed with those exchanges, Yeah, I'm not sure, but I'll get back to you. Make sure to join the Telegram group, and if I find out any that are good for US residents, make sure to tag me and ask me again in the Telegram group. I'll find out for you, okay? Thank you very much for the super chat. Right, let me go here through the comment section again. I'm just scrolling up, guys, and going through the comment section because I want to try and read a lot of you, okay? I know I miss out on some people, but yeah, it's mission impossible. A lot of people commenting and spamming the chat. Right, Perfect from Portugal says, Ciao. Hello, guys. Hello, everyone. Right, I'm at the loud and clear. Let me see if... guys, hello everyone. I'm not going to say every single name because I'm going to go really slow through the comments. Joseph, how are you doing? All good. And how are you, Senya? I'm very well. Thank you very much for joining. Right, let me go through the comments, see if there's anybody there wants me to take a look at any altcoins. I've taken a look at ADA already here for Dennis. What happened to your 30K, Mr. Bear? Says Key Reeves. Yeah, well... you can watch my videos. I was calling only for 38K being the bottom, okay? I was only bearish in the immediate short term, all right? So I was only a bear in the short term. Come on, guys. I got K Reeves here in the comment section now saying, what happened to your 38K? Well, I was tweeting also 40K. I was waiting for that leg down. I was going to potentially put some swing trades down there. We didn't go to those levels. So, yeah, it doesn't matter, guys. It doesn't matter. We missed out on that one. Maybe a lot of you people longed here around about the 42, 43K, guessing that we were going to have that pump, okay? But anyway, yeah, I was waiting for that 38K. Only because, taking a look at the analysis, if we were going to mirror this potential scenario right over here, we were making the same patterns, and this low over here was this low over here, okay, right over there. That would be in the 38K. The reason why we could hit 38K, and it's not because of being a Mr. Bear, it's just looking at the technicals. The ABC correction impulsive move could have taken us to 38K right over here perfectly, all right? It was just the technicals. I am a technical analyst and I stick to my technical analysis. If we don't hit those levels, well, then it's fine. I didn't lose any money. I just did small short positions. The reason, I was a bear, but I shorted this trade right over here. And I showed you and I said when I was going to close, and I closed at 41 because we want to close just above here, $40,000 where we're retesting. I absolutely nailed that trade. If I was a super strong bear, I would have left my trade open. I would have got stopped out, but I closed it. I did say on the Telegram group, I was closing most of my trades at $41,000 right over here from my short position. So anyway, enough of that. Also, the reason why I thought 30K was coming is because from the swing low here of $30,000 to the top here of September 53K, it also matched here the 62% levels, and we don't always need to get to 62%. And we just got massively supported from 50K levels, which is just at $40,980. But also, why did we, let's just go here to Bitcoinsensus. I want to go through the Twitter account, guys, because I can give you information. I will never tell you when to long, when to short. I will tell you when I'm long and when I'm shorting, and I don't trade that much, okay? I want to nail my trades. I am very conservative with my trades because I like making, good profits just with a couple of trades. Now, I want to just show you a tweet here that we posted not long ago there it is, right over here. Bears would need a lot of power to go through the 38K and 40K levels. The BTC price went to 39.5K, if I'm not wrong, round about that range. Check out, we had this major resistance, since we had January tackling $41,000 getting rejected there. We also have the May sell-off. We tried to get above $40,000. Boom, we tackled it. We didn't manage to get above. And this was tweeted on the 22nd of, you could risk a long position by seeing this information. We also got the VPVR. This is only one of the, I use about 3-4 indicators, and I never get them out on the chart. I get them out on the chart sometimes just to check out. And checking out the VPVR, there was a huge barrier of volume. Look how BTC couldn't manage to get below $40,000. The huge amount of volume there is there. And this is mainly buying power, okay? And a lot of people do not understand this, especially the bears don't understand it. And I was a little bit bearish, but only till 38, 40K levels, okay? If we take the VPVR here, you can take it on one of the top exchanges and you can check out the volume. Let me just go to the daily here and we can zoom out a little bit. The huge amount of volume at those levels is absolutely insane, just above $40,000, okay? If I get a box right over there, okay, just so you can see, this is 40,000, 40,500, 40,800, more or less around that range. And if you get a box right over there, let me just get this box, you know, green so you can clearly see it. Right over there, just at the $40,000. This is where the BTC price bounced perfectly. I was expecting that bounce, but I was also expecting, you know, to fall a little bit lower, $40,000. Look how you know that was a major resistance. It was a major support area. VPVR, huge amount of volume, and the reason why it hold also. This is just for new subscribers, guys. This is valuable information for, in my opinion. It's mainly buying power. This over here was a reaccumulation event, okay? Reaccumulation right over there. That's buying power, okay? People buying their Bitcoin. Reaccumulation, hitting $40,000 resistance. This over here wasn't a redistribution because we didn't continue down. It was an accumulation event. We had a major barrier here at $40,000 as a reaccumulation top, okay, of a barrier of accumulation. When you pop up this major resistance area, when you've been accumulating here for a few months and then break up at the retracement, it is likely that we are going to, you know, get a bounce at $40,000, $38,000, right? It's just technical analysis, guys. It's nothing. It's not rocket science. It's pretty simple. Simple because I've been quite a few years at it, and it's just simple indicators, a lot of volume, and it's mainly buying pressure from here, buying pressure from there, because the price has gone up, That's why the $40,000 was the barrier of reaccumulation. That is the barrier of resistance, and if you break above those levels, it's going to turn into support, and that is it. It doesn't matter what you think, it is what it is. Now let me go through the comment section here. I sold all my trading bags, says Situl Beast Training. Why did you sell? You sold all your trading bag? Greetings from Mexico. Sebastian, how are you doing? LTC, please, for George. Straight away, man. Let's do LTC. Andy Xiao from Italy. Sicily, thanks for all you do for us. You're very welcome, Ivan. Let's take a look at Litecoin. Is Litecoin looking nice? What's Litecoin doing? What's Litecoin doing? Litecoin is looking very good. Litecoin's looking very good. Actually, did we take a look at Litecoin because we were going to break this major resist? Let me just take a look at Litecoin here. We had this massive wick, and this wick was because there was false news that came out on Cointelegraph and some pretty good news pages saying that Walmart, was it Walmart? I think it was Walmart that was going to accept Litecoin, and it was that was a fraud. It was false news. But let me just take a look here at Litecoin on Coinbase or Litecoin on Bitfinex. It seemed like I drew something on one of the exchanges, but I forgot. But no, it seems not. Anyway, Litecoin's looking very bullish. Litecoin is looking great. Now, if we do not, this is only noise, right? This was only that was a scam wick. No, it was false information. We just had a massive hype, came straight back down, and you know, this is just noise. Now, what we want to do is connect this high with this lower high, with the next lower high and lower high, and you know, Litecoin has also created a beautiful descending wedge. Okay. And the reason why we do not count this wick, because this was totally false information. This is only noise on the chart, okay? Any large wicks, you know, up and down, any pump and dump on a very large pump and dump in the chart is just noise. So we cross that out of the way and we get the real lower high structure, the proper consolidation of market sentiment, and descending wedge usually breaks to the upside. We successfully broke to the upside. Now there was a major resistance, and this resistance was going to be the moment when I was going to be coming extremely bullish for Litecoin, and this was exactly this, the $163. We mentioned we talked about this yesterday. There's a major support area right over there, and this was the 162 levels. Okay, look how many times we have been bouncing around this range. As soon as we broke down, that would have been a great short opportunity right over there. Check out how we bounced, straight down from that level, okay? We broke down, then we came back up. The thing about these altcoins, the volume is not too great, guys. This is why, the volume is not too great from breakouts. But anyway, looking at the price action, the market structure, it's pretty clear that the target here for Litecoin is at the very top of the wedge, which is over $220. Now, trade at your own risk. We are starting to get above this major resistance, which is the $162 range. We are currently at 172, already $10 above. So this is looking pretty legit. Nice breakout. We should be tackling the next major resistance before eventually hitting $220. It's not going to go up in a straight line. It might do something like this and go pretty crazy until we arrive to that level. Okay, so don't get scared because we're going to have those massive corrections and a little bit of confusion. We might go in a straight line, but expect some kind of corrections, and this is where you want to get into some trades. All right. Now, it's very fun to see the price pumping. I get more excited on the retracements than when the price pumps. Okay. I obviously make these crazy thumbnails because a lot of people get excited, and I want the people to come and look at the channel, my educational channel. But I get more excited when we have those corrections, because those corrections are buying moments. This is the moment where we want to buy, right? You don't want to buy on the pump. So yeah, we should be holding very nicely the 162 levels. Now, if we do come all the way up to 180, that'll be absolutely fine. I hope that we do get some type of rejection, because it has been a strong resistance. Look how many 4-hourly candles tried to break above 145. There is going to be some type of resistance, especially if we pump there very fast. Now, if we start going up there like this, it is possible that we are going to break it. But if we go pretty fast, it is possible that we will be getting a fast rejection here, getting a consolidation, and then continue up. And this is what I want to see. Now, if this happens, guys, $162, in my opinion, is a very good buy zone. Just like it was a very good sell zone as soon as we broke it. Right over there as resistance, you sell, you take profits here at a double bottom. Look how we didn't manage to break this level. So you know that you're going to come back up as a retest. You come back down, you enter here, and you don't expect the price to break this level and reach the target, because the price might do this, it might do this, and then it might do this and continue to the upside, reaching the target. Now, the descending wedge target doesn't mean that we are going to go there in a straight line. We could perfectly do this. And if you start FOMOing in here, and we have that retracement down to the $130, guess what? It's very likely we will be getting a bounce around that range, okay? I've seen it before, guys. I've seen it before. This is the thing. Be careful. Let's wait for some pretty harsh retracement. Now, we could possibly go there in a straight line, but we could, that's why if you FOMO in this pump, you are risking yourself. If you have tight stop loss, if you have you're using too much leverage, you're getting into the risk of this. And if we do this right over here, hitting the 145, the $140, this is the moment where I'm going to be very bullish, and this is the moment where I am going to leverage trade to a long position. Don't worry, guys, I will tell you everything that I am doing, but don't expect me that I'm going to place 4 or 5 trades a day. Very unlikely. I place 2 trades a week, 3 maybe. I do try and day trade quite a lot. I got a trade here open on gold on PrimeXBT. Guys, PrimeXBT is an excellent exchange here to day trade, all right? And the good thing about PrimeXBT is that you use Bitcoin or Ethereum or USDT as collateral, meaning that if you are good trading gold or oil or the S&P 500 or Forex or even Link, they got Chainlink, they got Polkadot. If you're good trading those cryptos and you like to use Bitcoin as collateral, so Bitcoin is the money here as on this exchange. You get 50% added to your deposit. I get a small bonus. You get the best bonus. So yeah, guys, it's a win-win, and I do use this for my day trading, and obviously Bybit for my swing trading. Right, let me go through the comments here. This is what I got for Litecoin, guys. Very sorry, because I do talk a lot, you know, when you on the altcoin. I've been 10 minutes only on Litecoin. Sorry about that. I bet a lot of people wanting me to take a look at some different cryptos here, but I just want to show you what I think on these different altcoins. Oh, good. Andy says, Munir, hello, thank you very much. No more FUD, says K Reeves. Yeah, no, exactly. No more FUD. No more FUD. We are broken major structure. This is what I am expecting now. I mean, guys, I follow some channels where people are just bearish, super bearish. And there's other ones that are calling for, 500,000 BTC, by the end of this cycle. It is absolutely crazy. You need to be open-minded. You need to check out how the price action moves, what sentiment. Guys, I was going to become bearish for the next year or even part of 2022 as soon as we close a daily candle below $38,000. This is why 38,000 was my exact level for continuing bullish for this bull cycle. It's because I need to follow the chart, guys. We need to follow the chart. You can't say, oh, you were a bear last 2 weeks ago, now you're a bull. No, I did give a video. Okay, it is super important, guys, because a lot of people get confused here. A lot of people get confused and might think you were a bull last week, now you're a bear, and then you're a bull again. No, I go with price action. I'm an ultimate bull now because we have broken major structure, and I'm not going to change my mind. I see that we are going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves. It's going to be very volatile. You won't be seeing the waves as I see the waves. I will explain it on my next videos. But if you're a subscriber, just so you know, we'll come back to this live stream and I'll stick to this movement, okay? And yeah, if you want to check my video here, let me just I want to go through the videos here because it's important, guys. It's important because whoever's a very new subscriber, future unlocked of BTC, okay? This was posted on 20th of September. Make sure to check it out if you want. I was giving you my most bullish case scenario to continue the bull run and the bear case scenario that was breaking that $38,000, and we were going to enter that bear market. Why? Because I explained it on this video, guys. Why we were going to enter a multi-monthly, even part of 22 bear market. The reason why is because we were finally going to make that structure here of let me just go on this chart. What is it? The Brave New Coin chart. The reason why I said that if we do break a $38,000 and close a daily candle below $38,000, it was very, very likely that we were going to finish this, not finish, but, continue this descending wedge structure, okay, from the last bull cycles, okay? You have a huge descending triangle, not wedge, sorry, descending triangle. Now, if we were going to continue to the downside, we were going to break major support levels that the bulls had to defend, which is the $38,000, and we would have continued this descending triangle. Now, the reason why I think that is not going to happen, it's not going to happen anymore, so I'm not bearish, eh? This is for K Reeves, who's calling me a bear. The reason why I'm bullish now is because we have broken major structure. This right over here is totally different than this one. The reason why is because we formed a descending wedge right over there that broke down. This one, we formed a descending wedge that broke up. okay? It is more likelier now, okay? Anything could happen. I'm not saying it is going to happen, but it is more likely, it is likelier that we are going to create five waves here, okay? 5 waves to the upside, all right? And they could be like something like this, and they could be something like, you know, this. It doesn't matter, and there's going to be a lot of noise in between, but the trend is going to be up, all right? And this is the most likely scenario. So yeah. What about altcoins? Altcoins will be doing well if the Bitcoin dominance doesn't go extremely high. Now let's take a look at the BTC dominance. There is a really somebody in the comment on the Telegram group posted something really cool about the Bitcoin dominance. On, you know, if the BTC price goes up and the dominance goes up, Litecoins rest, and if the Bitcoin dominance goes up and Bitcoins go sideways, it's like super bullish for altcoins. I'll pass it on the Telegram group. There was someone, okay, in the Telegram group that posted like a table where you could see the movements of the altcoins and Bitcoin with the Bitcoin dominance, which was really cool. I'll find it. I did screenshot it, so I will pass it on the Telegram group right now. A really cool. Hang on a second. I'll tell you what. I'll get it right now because I do have it somewhere around over here. It is somewhere around over here. A really cool table. Anyway, I'll find it afterwards. Anyway, I'm not going to lose any time. Let me just go through the comments. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin dominance. My take on the Bitcoin dominance hasn't changed. We could see a little bit of pumpiness for the Bitcoin dominance, but I see a lot of cryptos, a lot of altcoins getting, you know, this is not the 2017 ICO. We got a lot of blockchain projects that are working and a lot of interest, okay, of DeFi. We also got NFT in the gaming play to earn, okay? That is going to take a huge amount of liquidity of Bitcoin in my opinion. Obviously there's going to be new money coming in, but there's also going to be a lot of liquidity from Bitcoin going into the NFT, the gaming sector, also DeFi. So I don't see Bitcoin going all the way up to 50, 55, 60% dominance. I don't see this as a massive double bottom. I see this more as a, you know, potential, this being a bear flag right over here that we have broken, okay? I see this more like of a bear flag, you know, or a bear pennant, okay? And, you know, this was the breakout right over there, and that we are going to continue to the downside, right? That we are going to see something like that, and we are going to go down to those 25%, 30% levels. That is my take, guys. Bitcoin maximalists obviously think that this is going to happen. All right. That we're going to form a massive double bottom. Altcoins are going to get absolutely crushed. We're going to go back to 70, 80% dominance. I don't see that possible. I do see that we are going to have a recovery, maybe going to 45, going to 50 at the most. In my opinion, I see this having a cool off and continuing to the downside. All right, it's a revolution, blockchain revolution. This is not the 2017 ICO bubble right over there. And then, you know, we saw lots of projects. There were absolutely nothing. They were in development. People pulling out lots of money out of altcoins. That's why we saw those 95, even 98% correction on some altcoins. Sorry, guys. And it's different now. We do see blockchain projects working very well. They're testing, and I think that the Bitcoin dominance is just going to have that major pull continue to the downside. Even though Bitcoin does have 25% of the dominance of the entire cryptocurrency space, that is a huge amount, guys. 25% of all the money in crypto in Bitcoin. It is still huge. So I'm just being realistic here. I'm not an altcoin maximalist. I'm not a Bitcoin maximalist. I just see the projects, and they are going to do very well. Solana, we see Phantom, you know, Ethereum. They all need, you know, their development, their scaling solutions. You know, they're all having some issues, but they will be solved in the future. And yeah, guys, Bitcoin will have its role. It will have its 20-25% because it's going to be that digital gold, right? We're just going to be realistic here. This is not the ICO bubble. It's not the promises. We're actually seeing projects working very, very well. Smart contracts going live. So yeah, I do see the dominance in the next coming months continue to the downside. We might see some recoveries, but it will get pushed down, guys, in my opinion, just because we've got such a huge amount of great projects out there that will be very, very good for the future of finance, and they will take some dominance of BTC. Guys, thank you very much for liking the video. Okay, 312 likes. Sorry about reading the comments. I'm super slow. I just want to give you, I've got a lot of information in my head, and I want to give you my opinion. You can disagree in the comment section, say this guy doesn't know anything about life, he doesn't know anything about crypto. Dislike, don't follow him. But anyway, I need to give you my opinion, what I know, what I've been reading, and my information. Smash the likes to 100 likes, Joseph, and we're already at 300. Oh my god, I'm lagging so behind through the comment section. Ethereum, let's take a look at Ethereum. I got here someone in Ethereum. Spyros, Ethereum, yeah, straight away. Now, Ethereum, what's going on with Ethereum? This is the case for Ethereum. Now, Ethereum, we did form this kind of head and shoulder pattern here with this ascending neckline. Now this is the moment where we are retesting the neckline. We're just about to get above it. Okay, I want to see a nice daily close above this ascending neckline, and we are going to continue here for Ethereum this higher low structure, right? Check out here how we were creating higher lows. We had that massive wick, that massive dump. Okay, this is only just a little bit of noise. This was straight down, back up again. The 7th of September, we had that massive dump. Just a little bit of noise. We are still continuing this trend line to the upside. Now, this is the thing. We are hitting it right now. As soon as we break above it, it is going to be looking extremely bullish. I think we are going to have a little bit of a fakey out event here from this neckline. If BTC does have that correction to $47,000, $46,000, maybe. If it does happen, I see eventually Ethereum coming back down. Now, what would be the best buying moment for Ethereum? Having that correction, guys, having it to 3,120, 150 area. The reason why is because we formed a triple bottom right over here. And I don't want nobody in the comment section saying that triple bottoms don't exist. Yes, they do exist. Check it out on Google. It is a pattern, triple bottom. There's double bottoms and there's triple bottoms. Okay, so there is a triple bottom right over there. And yeah, the measured target from this is getting the bottom bit all the way to the resistance, and we're probably almost reaching the target now. But the good thing about this is that it is very, very likely that we will have maybe some type of retracement. Okay, it's likely. It doesn't mean it has to happen, but if it does happen, this would be a great entry point, guys. If we do have that retracement, okay, right over there. If we do have that retracement, then this is going to be a great buying moment. And where do you want to exit? You want to exit here at wherever you have retested for Ethereum, okay? So don't get scared if we do pullbacks. Pullback is going to be that buying opportunity if we do have it, you know, to the 3,100, 3,150, more or less round about that range, because it has been a heavy resistance zone right over there, as you can see. Heavy support area also. This is why we've got this box, right? It's been a heavy support. This red box right over there. So if we do have that correction, it will be ideal to buy in right over here to retest the highs that we create. Okay, so that would be my entry point for Ethereum. That would be my trade strategy for Ethereum. Okay, but everything's looking bullish, guys. What's happening to BTC? Because Ethereum's pumping. I want to check out the Ethereum Btc chart. Because yeah, Ethereum BTC, yeah, this is what we got for Ethereum BTC. We had a lot of choppiness here from this descending wedge. This was a clear fake out. Check out here, we have these descending wedge. This one is playing out beautifully, almost reaching the target over here. This one played out very, very nicely. This one played out as a fake out right over there. So we had a quick wick to the downside here on this descending wedge, and we got this breakout, and this was a fake out. We only went sideways, so that was invalidated. Now, we still haven't reached the target for Ethereum. I still think that Ethereum is going to outperform BTC in the next coming months if the bull run continues. I'm still a strong believer that that will happen. The structure is also telling me that that is going to happen. Now, there is a case here. There is a case for the Ethereum Btc chart. And this is a huge cup and handle, okay? We have a major resistance zone right over here at 0.083 BTC per Ethereum, if you understand that. Okay, this chart here, one Ethereum is valid 0.07 BTC, right? So we have a resistance zone here at 0.083, resistance, and a resistance here that we are going to tackle very soon. Now, this could play out as a huge cup and handle. We've created a handle here. Now we're going to retest here again. And what you want in a cup and handle is retest 3 times the resistance and finally breaking it out. You have a huge round formation right over there coming from an uptrend, right? We are coming from an uptrend. And this is extremely bullish. If this plays out, okay, let me just, for any new comers here, if this does play out, I've shown you here this before, cup and handle on Ethereum BTC, right over here. Okay, check out, this nice round formation. We are coming from an uptrend. Okay, that's very important for a cup and handle. You have a nice round formation. You have a clear resistance point. You've hit it once. You've hit it twice. And now it looks like we're going to hit it for the 3rd time, and it might be in 2 weeks, it might be in a month, it might be in a week. I don't know, but it will. I think it will happen. The structure is here very, very bullish. We will be continuing up. We are starting this massive uptrend since the beginning of 2020. All right, we bottomed out here in 2020 at the very bottom of this cup. Now, the 3rd retest is going to happen very soon. As soon as we break out, the Ethereum BTC pair can fly, and this is the reason why. Also, just by looking at the charts, it doesn't nothing got to do with Ethereum 2.0 that should be going live in December. It's got nothing to do with the scaling solutions, the project, and this is also very bullish because it's the the bigger, largest blockchain project with most applications built on it. Is because the chart is also very, very bullish. And the measured move target is getting the bottom bit to the resistance. The projected move, okay, from this pattern this is the logarithmic. That's why it's doing this. All right, that's why the pole was getting smaller and bigger. The projected move, okay, from this cup and handle is something like this. We could go back to the 2017 boom levels, all right, right over there. It does make sense that we'll be tackling that range. It is exactly the measured move. And whoever thinks that this is not going to happen, whoever thinks that Ethereum is dead, altcoins are dead, it is the same story that back in 2017. Crypto is done, crypto is dead, everything's going to zero. I think it's pretty foolish if you think like that. That won't happen. It is likely at some point in the next coming months. It might take a year. I do not know the time, but everything's pointing that we will be coming back to these levels. And this is 0.14 BTC per each Ethereum. So one Ethereum can be valued at 0.14 BTC. Okay, that is the measured move of this cup and handle. That is just very interesting things that you need to know, guys. It is important that you know about this also. Ethereum BTC chart looking very, very bullish on the macro perspective. Andy Cake Analysis, please, says Nix. TA on farm, please. Okay, let's take a look at Bake. Enough of what I want to talk about. Let's talk about your cryptos, guys. Let's take a look at Bake. Yeah, Bake, nothing has changed for Bake. We talked about Bake here not long ago. Descending wedge, this is bullish. We're going to start pumping from here pretty hard, okay? In my opinion. Let me just change this. My God, I keep changing stuff and I keep forgetting to leave it how it was. I don't want this like this. I want it like this, like this. Right. So for Bake, we did find a very nice floor here for Bake. I am not bullish on anything that's on the Binance Smart Chain. I just don't like Binance because it's totally centralized. But anyway, I guess on cryptocurrency, there's room for centralization and decentralization. but I am a heavy supporter of decentralization, not centralization. Anyway, Bake looks pretty bullish here on the chart. We managed to find a pretty decent floor. Okay, we bounced here twice very nicely from this floor. We had a massive descending wedge formation here, and it is very likely that we are going to start pumping. Okay, it is likely that we will be coming back up to this range, tackling this $3 area here for Bake. Okay, and it's not much. I think it's about a 50% move or 60% move from here. Yeah, about a 60% move from this range. It's not a huge amount of gains, but yeah, everything's pointing out that we've successfully found a bottom here, descending wedge breakout. Everything's looking, if the bull run continues, we will see Bake having that run up perfectly here to the $3. Okay. Howdy Andy, good to see you. Thank you James, good to see you guys. It's great to see everyone. Hey bro, says RV, how are you doing? TA on farm, right? Farm, is that super farm? Farm, no it's not. Farm Harvest Finance, is it this one? Right, there's not too much data here on Binance. It is going down, but we're starting to break a major structure. Let me just see if we can have more, if we do have a little bit of more. Yeah, here on Coinbase, a little bit of more data would be nice. Polynex, whoop, not this one. Binance, yeah, it seems like Coinbase has the most data here on this cryptocurrency. It's a little bit of a pumpy and dumpy. We have massive pumps, massive corrections, massive bumps, massive corrections. Taking a look at the charts here, you know, it might be looking okay. It might be looking okay. We are starting to change a possible trend here in the immediate short term. We did find a pretty nice solid base here. This was exactly at the $150, and yeah, it would be ideal to break above this wick over here. We're starting, yeah, we want to get above this area right over there. Okay, as you can see on farm, we do have a major resistance zone, which is the $190. We have bounced here several times. As soon as we broke this level, you know, we've wicked below here. We've already wicked twice here for the last couple of days. So as soon as we break this level, this is the 190, and as soon as we break the 190 here, hitting $200, $210, it is going to be very bullish. We will be changing a trend here. Any type of retracement will be very good to re-enter. We are starting to break. We are starting to change the trend here. Okay, just starting to change the trend. Nothing guaranteed here. Just, you know, check out what happened right over here. This is why it is super important to have a breakout and successfully change the trend. Okay, closing nice, at least 4-hour candles, what a daily candles, because just imagine here that I say to you guys, okay, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. It looks like we are breaking here. It looks like we are going to change the trend, but we did not manage to break above this support level. We wicked above it, came straight back down on the 4-hourly, wicked below it, came straight back down. Now, if you would have bought here, you would have got absolutely crushed. So this is why we want to break this major support level, start breaking lower highs. Okay, this is what we want to do. The last lower high here on the 4-hourly is right over here on the 23rd of September. Boom, right over there. We got insane support turning into resistance. We have broken a major trend, but this could be still a fake out. We want to see some confirmations. Now this is why this is the moment where we are going to take advantage of this new uptrend that we are going to create. Okay, we are at the first wave. Don't worry guys, we're going to have 5 waves, and they might be very explosive. They might be a bit crappy, I do not know, but we will be taking advantage from these waves. Now this is why on farm against the US dollar, as soon as we break $1.90 here, hitting the 210, 220, it doesn't matter. Any type of retracement coming down is going to be a great buying zone, because we're going to get above major resistance, turning it into support. Okay guys, any type of retracement will be good for buying, and this is the moment where we want to make some money. This is what I got for farm, okay? This is the structure. We are starting to change the structure. Now we need a little bit of confirmation. Confirmation would be breaking $190, hitting 200, hitting 210. Then on the retracement is when we want to get in, guys, and take advantage, okay? Don't FOMO in, don't rush in, because this could be a quick wick and come straight back down. A nice daily close above 190. We could wick up and come straight back down, okay? Be patient. Patient is key, guys. Wait for confirmation. Money, we will be hitting 48,800 today, and then we do a retracement. Very probable, guys. Very, very likely, okay? This is why we need to be super, super cautious on this ascending triangle, okay, that we are creating. We are creating an ascending triangle. It is a bullish structure, but we could also be creating a Bart Simpson pattern, okay? This is a traditional Bitcoin pattern where you just go sideways, you dump the same as you pumped right over there. This could happen. Also, we have a major resistance just below $49,000 right over there, okay? We have major support in the past, major resistance. So this is why we could potentially, have a fake out here. We need to be super, super cautious. We need to be careful on this potential pump of BTC. If we do break the resistance, then we just go to the 30-minute chart, zoom in here a little bit. Check out the volume. We're having a little bit of a rejection here, okay? We have some volume there, a massive wick on the 30-minute. If we go to the 5-minute, I bet it's a lot of red volume here. A lot of selling pressure to the downside. Yeah, look at that doji right over there on the 5-minute. So people don't want the price to go above 49,000 just yet. Going to the 30-minute chart. Yeah, this is what we could expect, guys. I'm gonna give you my information just by looking at this pattern. Now, the two scenarios here. If we do break very nicely with very high volume, okay, we could, if the retracement is pretty good with low volume, it might be a good buying point. Okay, the measured potential projected move is this right over here. Potentially hitting almost $50,000, 49,500, but it is a risky one. We want to see very high volume also on this potential breakout. Now, the bearish case scenario, as I said, we could fake out from this higher lows. We could fake out. We'll be hitting this major support, which is currently at 47,400. Once we break 47,500 and then retest it as resistance, that could be a quick scalp position. You're in and you're out, because we are in a massive bull trend at this moment on the half an hour. You don't want to be fighting the trend. If you want to try and scalp this as a short, get in, get out, because we are going to try and look for some long positions here below $47,000, right? So that is my take. Volume not too much, says Chad. Yeah, not too much volume. This volume was pretty okay from the pump from yesterday. Okay, from $45,000 all the way to 47.5. It was pretty high volume. It was okay, decent volume. It was a legit pump, not a fake out. FTM for XTO. Right, let me just take a look at this super chat here. I got another super chat here from someone. Right, super chat. Hello, Radoslaw. Thank you very much for the super chat. Very much appreciated. Thank you very much, guys. Almost 400 likes. Let's just wait 2 seconds. Scroll down, smash up the like button. It'll be very much appreciated. Thank you guys for the support and commenting, and thank you for the super chat. Right, your AMP prediction for this cycle, says Radoslaw. I'm going to take a look at it right now. Right, let's take a look at AMP. My AMP prediction. I don't give too much price predictions. I can give you Chainlink price prediction. I think Chainlink will be in between $80 and $120 by the end of this cycle. This might be first, second quarter of 2022. I do not know. I can't give you the timing, but I think it is very realistic just by looking at my chart analysis from on the macro on Chainlink. Well, between $80 and $120. That is about 6x from its current price, about 5x maybe. Right, let's take a look at AMP. Okay, thank you very much for that super chat, Radoslaw. Thank you very much appreciated. AMP. against US dollar. Have we got more data on any other exchanges? This is the most importantly. We got any more data than Coinbase, Gemini? Right, we've got something here on the logarithmic. We can take this out of the way. Let's take a look here at this. Let's do some fresh analysis on AMP. I got a nice super chat here from Radislaw, and we want to take a look here at AMP per fourth. No, it's not AMP per fourth. It's just AMP, right? Yeah, it's just AMP here, ranked 61. Okay, I've heard about this cryptocurrency, not too much. I don't know too much about it. Let's go to the daily. Let's zoom out a little bit. Zoom out a little bit. Check out the volume here. It's been on Gemini for quite a while. Okay, currently at 5 cents. Currently at 5 cents. Let me just zoom out here on the chart. We want to check out some very important levels. Now, this is the daily, okay? The good thing about the daily chart is that we want to analyze the closes, all right? And I see, you know, pretty decent price action with huge volume there. Pretty decent price action right over here with huge volume here. Now, I want to check out the wick and also the daily close. Very important. Daily closes are very important on technical analysis. So if we just get a box here on the daily close and, you know, scroll back and get the box here extended all the way to the very end, we can see that this is going to be a major support level. It has reacted as support. This is the very close here of this candle, closing exactly at 0.034 cents. This close over here with this huge amount of volume. Now this is mainly buying pressure because it has been going up, and as soon as we broke this level here with some pretty decent volume right over here, we got a pretty nice bounce. Now I know you want to know the price prediction. I know you want to know the price prediction for end of the cycle. I have no idea. I haven't got any you know, I haven't done any review of this project. I don't know what it does. I don't know what's it going to do for the future. But by taking a look at the chart, we're just having a massive, huge sideways consolidation. And what I could see here, just by looking at the chart, is that it is looking pretty bullish. We're just having a huge consolidation sideways action. Okay, I can connect these lower highs. All right, we do know that we have a strong support here at 0.034. Are we potentially creating a massive symmetrical triangle? Very possible. Very possible that we are creating a massive symmetrical triangle. We are technically creating higher lows. This is the good thing about this crypto. I think this is going to pop to the upside very soon. We have higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, and higher lows. This higher low over here almost touched this higher low, but it didn't. And we also have low highs, lower highs, lower highs. Check out this. This has only got about a week to absolutely explode, okay? And it will explode very soon. Now, everything points, you know, from a symmetrical triangle. We do, this is mainly bullish if you come from an uptrend. You come from an uptrend and you go sideways, bouncing in between higher lows and lower high, higher lows and lower highs, right? So the projected move from this is getting, okay, the low part to the resistance, and from the breakout, you could perfectly come and retest the all-time high if we did break out, okay, and potentially breaking it. So yeah, above 12 cents at least, you know, maybe before the end of November, very possible. If the bull run continues, if BTC starts pumping, if we have that, you know, the Bitcoin dominance coming down, very likely that we'll be getting above 12 cents. And if we go to 12 cents, we'll be breaking all-time high and we'll be entering price discovery for this crypto. And when we enter price discovery, it can go pretty crazy. So my blind guess would be maybe, you know, tackling 30 cents, 40 cents. And this is just a blind guess because I do know that when you break all-time high, you enter a FOMO stage, you enter price discovery. And, you know, it is very possible. I know this crypto did very well, okay? at the beginning of 2020. In January, we went from 0.005 cents all the way up to 10 cents. That was more than a 4 or 5x. So yeah, we could repeat that 4-5x easily, going to the 20 cent level, 25 cent maybe. But that would be just guessing. I have no idea what this crypto does. That would be my blind guess. Okay, 12 cents is very likely all-time high, breaking it. But I have not. AMP is described as the new digital collateral token, offering instant verifiable assurances for any kind of value transfer. Now, yeah, I'm not going to go through the project. Let's take money into the 21st century. AMP provides assets like SEC, USD, instant verifiable assurance for any real world application. I have heard of other people, analysts, talking about it. A lot of partnerships here. Yeah, this could have a very high FOMO moment. Price prediction, like I said, it will be tackling that 12 cents if this plays out very nicely. We've got only a week here, maximum 1 week to start breaking out. Now this could break down, but if we continue up, cryptocurrencies continue to the upside like Bitcoin has, it is very, very likely that we'll be tackling all-time highs, breaking the 12 cents in the next month or two here. Very realistic price prediction. Maybe as soon as we break all-time high, like I said, 20, 30 cents, that would be a realistic, not too high. When we break all-time highs, we do have some pumpiness. So yeah, if you are bullish in this project, make sure to take some profits at 20 cents, 30 cents, because you do not know how high this can go. Now this is realistic. I'm not going to just say blindly, this is going to go to $1 because we are on a massive uptrend. No, realistic, yeah, this could go to 20 cents, 20, 30 cents maybe, and then have a massive crash. Okay, take profits as soon as we start breaking all-time high here to the upside. Thank you very much for the super chat anyway. I've got another super chat from Pamela. Thank you very much. $5, $4.99. Thank you, Andy. Thanks for everything you do for this community. Happy Saturday. Thank you very much, Pamela, one of my greatest supporters. Thank you so much. Brian says, thank you for the super chat, Brian. Hi, Andy. Could you take a look at XVG? Gracias. De nada, amigo mío. Let's take a look at XVG. Thank you, guys. I activated super chat just today, getting some very nice, some nice tips here. Thank you very much. Let's take a look at XVG, right? XVG. Oh, Verge. Okay. Yeah, this is a pretty funny cryptocurrency because I know this crypto has been in, well, I'm not going to give you information, but it's, you know, it's been inside the porn industry as a payment system, okay? And I got some friends that told me this. It wasn't me that saw it, okay? But anyway, we're not going to go through the project, but I do know it has been used as a payment token for a porn site, and that's just some information that I know from that crypto. This is because people told me this. It wasn't me that I saw it. Anyway, never mind. Enough of talking about that, because yeah, we don't want to talk about that. XVG US dollar. Let's take a look at the charts. This is what we want to take a look at, the charts. Now, this is the thing that we got here on the chart. Sorry guys if I'm not reading your comments. I've got some super chats. They have priority. They are tipping me to take a look at their comments. Right. On the logarithmic, we had this uptrend, and this is the logarithmic chart. We broke this uptrend, as you can see, bouncing here onto the support. We broke it and went sideways. Now, what is the most likely scenario? Let me just take this out of the way because this was on the logarithmic chart. Let's take a look at the normal chart. It's not looking too great, okay? It's not looking good at all, actually. Are we going to have a nice recovery? Maybe yes, maybe yes. Let me just extend these boxes. We saw a lot of cryptocurrencies making a double bottom here. Some of them succeeded, such as ADA and a bunch of other cryptocurrencies. Okay, we have a massive resistance here on Verge, right over there, as you can see. And we've got a bottom here, and we have the second bottom right over there. And if this managed to break the 0.038 cents successfully, closing a nice daily candle above it, this would have gone insane. This, the measured move from this cryptocurrency from the bottom to the resistance, even though we do still have that possibility of this making that, okay? This could have jumped from 0.038 all the way up to 0.056, which is the measured move of this double bottom, okay? This is a classic Adam and Eve fail, okay? It is a classic Adam and Eve fail. You've got the Adam, the Eve, and then it just doesn't break resistance and it continues to the downside. This is why it's good to not anticipate anything. A lot of people saying, all right, yeah, this is a double bottom, we are going to go to the moon from here. And no, we got massive rejection, came all the way back down to retest the bottom. Okay, just so I can get to you the pattern so you can check it out. Classic Adam and Eve right over here, double bottom scenario. We got the Adam right over there, as you can see, and then the Eve, nice round bottom here, retesting support and the resistance. We do not break it. You only trade the successful breakout, like it says here on the chart. Only when you break out successfully and then you have a retracement, then you can re-enter this trade. Okay, this was a complete fail on Verge. Sorry to say this, but the hope here for this cryptocurrency would be having a triple bottom right over there. We got one bottom, we got the second one right over here, and we came all the way down to retest this bottom, which is at the 0.016 cents right over there. Okay, so this could end up at a triple bottom. I have no idea about what this cryptocurrency is doing, and I just don't know. I can't tell you anything about the project, how it's being developed, and the team and everything. I don't know what's going to happen to it, but we do see some cryptos that have been breaking this resistance, such as ADA. They have a lot of hype. We've seen some other ones that have been doing this double bottom and successfully broken out and continue to the upside. There are some that haven't gone up. This is why there's going to be a bunch of cryptos that are going to succeed in the coming years, and there's another bunch that are just going to go sideways and maybe not go to zero, but stay close to zero. I don't want to say that this is going to happen to this one. I don't know. Maybe they're just, aren't doing any marketing. It's maybe not fully, I don't know if they have a mainnet. Do they go on the Ethereum blockchain? They have their own blockchain, it seems. I have no idea about the marketing or this project, but that would be the most bullish case scenario. It seems like that this level is going to hold very, very nicely. And the good thing, what I like about Verge, is that you have the price action has been very legit with support and resistance. Check out this. I've only got a few boxes here, and look how we have broken out from resistance, broken out, retested support, came back up here, broke the resistance, come back, retested the support into resistance, came back up, retested resistance, broke resistance, came back down, retested the support, came back up. Guys, every single support and resistance breakout, it's retested and came straight back up. If you would have traded all of these breakouts of support and resistance and gotten in at a bounce, you would have made 100% of your trades being successful. You got 5. I don't know how many trades there is. There's one trade there, okay, and obviously this took quite a few months, 4 or 5 months. But anyway, this is why I say you only need 5-6 trades to make quite a few $1,000s, right? So you got one trade there, successful, one there, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, 4 trades. But anyway, that's 4 trades with a very, very simple strategy: breakout, retest of support, retest of resistance, turning it into support. That would have been successful here on Verge. Absolutely insane. So that's a very, very basic strategy, textbook technical analysis. Now that's my case here for Verge. Okay, if we do break this support, it's not going to be looking good. It's not going to be looking good for this crypto. Now, how you want to trade this is like this, okay? We do have some clear levels. Okay, we got the major support, which is at the 0.016 cents right over there. We know it's major support. We've been bouncing here for so many times that if we break it with a bit of volume on the retracement, it is going to be a very heavy resistance. Okay, on the first bounce, you want to probably get into a short position. The next, you could blindly put a long position here on this and put your stop loss below the 0.016, maybe at 0.013, because we haven't reached those levels since January of 2021. So over 10 months ago. 10 months ago, we haven't gone below this level. It has been bouncing every single time at 0.016. So you could blindly put a long position there and hope for the best, right? Just because 0.016 has been such a strong level. Now, you could long this to retest this resistance. It is very, very likely that we'll be retesting it at some point. And the best trading opportunity would be breaking this major resistance, which is at the 0.036 cents, like I mentioned before. 0.036 cents. So major level, bounce out resistance, support, resistance. If we climb up here and break it, it is going to be a triple bottom confirmation. And the measured move is the same like the double bottom, getting the distance here from the breakout. We should be coming up to the 0.056 cents. Okay, that's what you could look like here for Verge. You could look at that in the next coming weeks for Verge. Okay, thank you very much for the super chat. Guys, ADA, I've taken a look at ADA. I've got a lot of ADAs here in the comment section. Thank you, Andy, says Brian. You're welcome, guys. AXS, let's take a look at ADA and AXS here before I potentially leave. AXS has gone absolutely insane. What's happened to AXS? My God. Yeah, price discovery, guys. It's probably going to go to $200, maybe to $1,000, maybe to $1 million. Only joking. Price discovery, guys. It's gone absolutely insane. I can't remember this. Does anybody remember this over here? In the comment section, let me know. We talked about AXS. It must have been, yeah, it wasn't yesterday. Was it yesterday? Or it was a couple of days ago. I remember taking a look at this inverse head and shoulder right over there. We got the measured move retesting all-time high. Right? This is what I got here on the chart for this crypto. Maybe we're slightly breaking it. Okay. This only happened yesterday. I don't remember it from yesterday. Confirm me, guys, in the comment section. AXS, we were talking about this potential inverse head and shoulder right over there. Right? We had this stick here. I can't remember, guys, because I'm taking out so many cryptos every single day. Let me know in the comment section, did we manage to call this eventually before this pump? Because this pump happened, you know, in between yesterday and today. So it must have been a couple of days ago. We were probably just about breaking out. But that was an inverse head and shoulder, and the target was retesting the all-time high. And you know the deal. Sometimes when you retest all-time high, or you can either get a massive rejection and create a double top, or you can have a massive blast off. And this is what happened to AXS. Price discovery here for AXS. What I can tell you, we can take a look at the 30-minute chart here just to go in the immediate short time frame. It is looking bullish, guys. It's having a very good uptrend structure here. We can go even to the 15-minute chart. We have a very strong base right over here, which is at the $110 approximately. We have retested this support a lot. Okay, if we do have that breakout and break below this range, we could potentially have a quick short. Okay, quick short position to wherever the price goes. Now, if we do have a fake out, you don't trade it. If you break out nicely, pretty far away from the support, and then have the retracement, you could quickly short that for a double bottom. Okay, just a quick short, because this is a super strong. You don't want to fight the trend here. You're just doing a quick scalp. Okay, this is quick scalping. You're in and you're out. If you break, you get into retracement, because it's very likely you'll come back down and retest the lows again, and then maybe create a double bottom. but you want to get in and out. This is very, very powerful. If we do have that that retracement, we will be bouncing and continuing to the upside. It's very, very strong crypto. AXS, it's going absolutely insane. Will we have that retest of the all-time high? This is the question. If we do, it will be a good moment to start placing some longs here. It will be a good moment to start buying AXS. AXS can be traded on Bybit, guys. Remember, they did add AXS. That would have been an insane long position. As you can see here on let me just go here quickly. Let me check out AXS. They did add it just recently. They did add AXS here on Bybit. It is still AXS. There it is, 19%. But I remember seeing this yesterday night, and it was over 45%. Up over 45%. Absolutely insane. Guys, you got the best bonus down below for Bybit. Okay, be careful for experienced traders. I have tutorials down below also. Check out the tutorial for Bybit and PrimeXBT. I explain everything how it works. PrimeXBT is margin trading. Bybit is isolated. It is a different type of trading. If you want to check it out and learn about these platforms, only for experienced traders. You get the best bonus down below, and you're also supporting the channel. I get a small commission eventually. All right. Also. Right, what else have we got here? XRP sir, yes, Farrell, straight away. Guys, thank you very much for the insane support. Okay, thank you for smashing up the likes. Let's try and get to 500 likes. That would be absolutely insane for this live stream. I saw Carl from the Moon also joined to say hello. Absolutely insane, very strong supporter, Carl from the Moon. Andy, take a look at ARPA and your Fab Theta. Theta doing absolutely great, guys. Theta has been having a great pump. I've been bullish all the way on Theta, even though the price was going down, okay? Even though the price was going down, Theta is now just hitting a major resistance. Yeah, this is the 4 hourly. Let me just get this out of the way. This was an inverse head and shoulder that we saw. Already hit the target. Now, Theta is insane. Theta will blow your socks off because decentralized YouTube, okay, decentralized live stream, it is going to be absolutely insane. Theta, it is going to have that moonshot, okay. It is having a correction now. If we are creating this higher low over here, we have a massive descending wedge. I might be placing a massive swing trade. I should have entered here around about the $4, but I was, if BTC was going to have that $38,000 dump, then that would have been great to get into some altcoins. This is the thing, when you break from a huge descending wedge that you have created since March, okay, and you have a breakout, you could still come back down even to the lowest point where you've had your low on that crypto or whatever crypto it is, and then continue to the upside. This is the thing where you want to be careful from these major breakouts, because this is what could happen. You could even fall below the low that you created inside the descending wedge. So, but it's very likely that we are going to start printing a higher low here. We have printed on the daily a higher low, which is extremely bullish. This is confirming that we are going to start changing the trend. Now we've got, if we take a look at Theta here, now we've got a trend line over here already. We've got a strong trend line now. It's very, very likely that we are going to start creating here, another trend. All right. And yeah, we've got a huge amount of space here to run up in the next month. Okay. So we're going to try and get into some very good long opportunities. Theta looking very bullish. Okay. I see this, that it is the end. We're starting to print a higher low, and we're going to start, having those pumps, guys. It is the time. It is the time to be in crypto right now, guys. Andy can't find me in so many comments. Yeah, the infogram. I seen you. This is Theta. I'm taking a look at Theta. I've seen you. Could you look at Quant and Compound? Says Mark. Yeah, I will also. I have my moderators here wanting me to take a look at some cryptos, but I can't because of the super chat and the huge amount of chats, guys. Remember, super chat is activated if you really want me to take a look at your crypto. Okay, you can just put $1 or a couple of dollars. I think it doesn't. You can just put a couple of dollars and I will see your chat. Okay, I'm sorry, it is absolutely insane to see. Andy, you forgot ADA. I've taken a look at ADA at the beginning of the stream. Jonathan, I've taken a look at ADA at the beginning of the stream. Now let me take a look. Let me take a look at this crypto here for Mark Dutch. Okay, where's your comment? Where's your comment? I lost it. Andy, can you take a look at ARPA and no? Okay, I've taken a look at that one. I've taken a look at Theta. Mark Dutch, tell me which crypto do you want me to take a look at? What crypto did you want me to take a look at? I've lost your comment now. I've done ADA at the beginning of the stream. I've also done AXS. Essex accent. No, not from Essex. I'm from Mallorca. My mum's from the Isle of Man. I am from Spain though. I was born here. I'm only know English because I've been, speaking to my mum since I was born and just read a few books in English. That's about it. No accent. The accent there I've just been picking up because of my mum, really. Andy, bro, you are teaching us a lot. Thank you, says Robin. You're very welcome, guys. This is gonna be it for the stream. Okay, I gotta run. Serum. Okay, Mark Dutch, let me know your crypto. Mark Dutch, let me know what crypto you want me to take a look at. Could you look at Quant and Compound? Yeah, for sure. Let's take a look at Quant and Compound. Right, let's take a look at these one. Compound. Compound US dollar here for Mark Dutch. This is ready to pop. We did take a look at this. It's ready to pop. It is just about to pop. Be careful, we do not have too much volume confirmation just yet, but very, very bullish. Descending wedge. Compound is an insane bullish decentralized project. So it is a very good project. I like it very, very much. It is very likely that we are going to print this low over here, this higher low. We got this descending wedge. It is very, very likely that we're going to start retesting the $450 here on Compound. Wait for a little bit of confirmation, I would say. We do have a heavy support area just at $320, okay? $320 is a heavy support. Right over there, we did have a quick fake out, came straight back up inside of this descending wedge. So looking pretty bullish here for the next coming weeks, in my opinion. Let's wait to see it. We might see a little bit of nice volume coming up. Any type of retracement would be good. Okay, exiting at a double top here for some profits, and you could probably try and hold that position all the way to $450. That would be our next major resistance point. Descending wedge target is the top of the wedge. Okay, right over here. It seems like the bears have, lost interest in pushing the price down. We got above a major support area. So yeah, Compound is looking pretty bullish. I would just wait for a little bit of volume confirmation. VeChain price prediction. VeChain price prediction in between 50 and 75 cents by the end of the cycle. The end of the cycle might be first, second, even third quarter. I would say second quarter of 2022 because I am sticking with this prediction. If you're an old subscriber, I'm talking about this every single time. Market cycles are extending. We should be peaking potentially around about second or even third quarter of 2022. It could be first quarter, somewhere around 2022. Don't worry, we'll be taking some profits as soon as we having that FOMO moment. There will be a FOMO moment. We just don't know where it's going to be. Okay, and that will be the moment to take some profits. VeChain would be 50, 75 cents. Guys, I think I'm going to do another live stream tomorrow. So yeah, I won't be doing a video update. It is the weekend. I like to chat to the people, take a look at some comments. Let's take a look at Quant here for Mark Dutch. He is an insane supporter of mine. Let's take a look at Quant, okay? And I will be leaving very soon here, the stream, okay? Quant is QNT, if I'm right. Is it QNT as ticker symbol? Guys, thank you very much for the insane support. Quant should be doing it insanely well.
I remember Quant did have its moment a few weeks ago. We got an insane support here for Quant. Just about, this is the 4-hourly chart, just about to break here. Yeah, we're just breaking these lower high structures, keeping it pretty simple for Quant. We need to get above this level. And what level is that? Is this one right over here. Okay, we do have a major support range there, bounce. We got a fake out there. Then we got the resistance here again, retesting it. This is exactly the $325. As soon as we get above $325 here nicely, I want a nice 4-hourly or at least a daily close above this range. Any type of retracement will be pretty good. We're going to be changing trend here. We're going to be changing trend, but we want to see a little bit of confirmation on Quant, Mark, okay? Nice double bottom. Okay, we've bottomed out here very, very nicely. We got a bottom there, we got a bottom here. Now we want to break above this range. This could be easily a fake out. We could continue to the downside. We want to see some confirmation getting above the $325. We're only $10 away, so we want to break that and go to 350, potentially 360. That would be any type of retracement. If we start seeing some volume in, that would be great. Any type of retracement down to the $320 range is going to be great for buying. We'll be changing the trend here very, very likely. We want to get above major resistance. Okay, I don't need any moving averages to know that we are going to change the trend. So let me just leave this here for the next analysis. Thank you very much, guys, for the support. Make sure to check out the Bitcoinsensus website. Okay, I'll be doing another live stream tomorrow. I'll let you know. I'll notify you in the Telegram alerts channel, also in the comment section. Thank you, guys. Sorry if I haven't read your comment. Make sure to tag me in the Telegram group. I can go in there sometimes, talk about your chart, send a picture of your chart, we'll analyze it. Guys, also check out the Bitcoinsensus website. Okay, we've got the latest news, technical analysis here. We've got exchange reviews. You can check out what exchanges have the best bonuses, where to buy Bitcoin. There's all sorts of information there, you guys. Totally free. The link is in the description. A way to support the channel also, PrimeXBT and Bybit. They're my favorite leverage trading platforms. Let's quick take a look at BTC before we go. BTC looks like it was going to have a little bit of a fakey out here on this higher low support level. We came straight back up, guys. I'm going to tell you what, this is a bullish pattern, right? We are coming from a major uptrend, bullish ascending triangle. Taking a look at probabilities here in the immediate short term, it is probable that we might break out this resistance, and yeah, there's a 60% chance that we'll break up from here, guys. I am waiting for a retracement. If we do have that retracement, it's going to be our lucky moment. We can get some cheaper Bitcoin, we can get into some long positions. Let's wait to see if we have that moment, okay? Don't worry, the retracement will come at some point. Thank you, guys. Make sure to join the Telegram group. I will see you later. Break out this resistance. Yeah, there's a 60% chance that we'll break up from here, guys. I am waiting for a retracement. If we do have that retracement, it's going to be a lucky moment. We can get some cheaper. Whoa! Hang on a second, guys. I'm still live. I got a super chat here from someone of $20. Sorry, I did not see that. Hugo, I am still here. Hugo, I hope you are here. Hey, man, can you check Cake? Love your TA. Thank you very much. I almost missed out a super chat, guys. I'm still live. I was just checking here the comment section quickly, and yeah, I saw this super chat. Cake US dollar. Phew, that was lucky, man. I didn't want to lose that that super chat. You would have got super mad. Sorry there, Hugo. Thank you for that insane super chat. $20. Thank you very much. Right, this is what we got here for Cake, and this is looking insanely bullish. Okay, we got a major support level that we did wick below. Okay, let me just get this a little bit thicker because of the volatility. We have a lot of volatility. Sorry, guys, it was just about to leave and I got a $20 super chat here from Hugo. Thank you very much. Thank you for your support. Thank you for saying that you love my TA. Okay, keeping it pretty simple here for Dot.
like I said, we did see kind of a double bottom here scenario. We almost met the target. I mean, you should have taken some profits right over here. We have a bottom there. We have this one right over here, and absolutely breaking out, almost hitting this major resistance zone. Okay, so that was a double bottom, almost hitting. We got 90% of the actual target from this double bottom right over there, as you can see. Now, this is looking insanely bullish. If you are bullish on Cake, and I do know it's like the decentralized exchange from Binance, right? We have a heavy resistance right over here, which is currently around about the $18, right? Around about $18, where I have this orange box, is a major resistance zone. That we have got supported very nicely just there. We got an insane bounce here. We got an insane second bounce. Now, it is likely that we are going to start continuing to the upside. As I said, we get the Fibonacci retracement from the low to the high. We even hit the 62% golden pocket. If I just zoom in here, check out how we hit the golden pocket right over there. Okay, right over here, hitting just around about the $17, faking out from this major support range. Now, what is going to happen? The most likely scenario is that we are going to start pumping. Okay, because we have had the retracement, we are going to see that FOMO moment, guys. This is the moment that you want to start getting into crypto. Yeah, it is very likely that this is going to start pumping pretty hard. We got insanely supported. We have had that retracement, got insanely supported here. The most probable scenario would be starting to pump from this range, okay? Breaking the resistance from this descending wedge. The measured target is coming all the way up to the $26, which is the top of the wedge, okay? We have a pump, we have a retracement, descending wedge. It is time to continue the trend, okay? This is what I see on Pancake. We're going to leave this chart for the next analysis the next day, okay? Hugo, thank you very much. I'm super sorry I almost missed that super chat, guys. Yeah, this is going to be it. I have to rush off, guys. Don't forget to hit that notification when you subscribe to Andy's channel. Mark Dutch, thank you very much. Great stream again. Thank you very much, guys, and I will see you. Hugo, I almost missed his super chat. Guys, you can just tip a couple of dollars if you want me really to take a look at your cryptocurrency on the next live stream. It is mission impossible. I tried to read quite a lot of the comments, but it is getting pretty crazy at this moment. So you just $1 or $2 I think is the minimum, and then I'll see your super chat. It's just because I can't do everyone, guys. I'm super sorry. Make sure to check out Bitcoinsensus website, guys. Totally free information we got there, and join the Telegram group, and also follow us on Twitter. We post every single day stuff there. Okay, thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.